Hey everyone, it's Cyber. Welcome back to the channel, where we break down the latest in tech, security, and how to keep your digital life protected. Whether you're a Snapchat pro or just getting started, today's episode is packed with crucial info you won't want to miss. Today, we're diving deep into Snapchat security, an issue that impacts millions of users around the globe every single day. Snapchat is more than just a fun way to share moments. It's a huge part of how we connect, communicate, and express ourselves online. But with all that sharing comes responsibility and risk. Did you know Snapchat has over 300 million active users, with billions of snaps and stories sent every single day? That's a massive digital playground. And unfortunately, it's also a tempting target for hackers, scammers, and cybercriminals looking to exploit unsuspecting users. If you've ever wondered how secure your snaps really are, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm revealing the top 10 methods hackers use to break into Snapchat accounts. Plus, I'll show you exactly what you can do to protect yourself. From phishing scams and weak passwords to fake login pages and social engineering tricks, we'll cover it all. My goal is to empower you with the knowledge you need to stay one step ahead of cyber threats. But before we get started, a quick but important reminder. Everything I'm sharing today is strictly for educational purposes only. Please don't use these methods to hack or harm others. It's not just illegal, it's also unethical. The goal here is to help you recognize the risks and defend yourself, not to encourage bad behavior. So use what you learned today to keep yourself, your friends, and your loved ones safe online. Knowledge is your best defense in the digital world. Ready to become a Snapchat security pro? Let's jump right in and get started. Let's start with a classic scam that's been around for years, but still catches people off guard every single day: phishing. Phishing is when cybercriminals try to trick you into giving up your personal information, like your username and password, by pretending to be a trustworthy source. It's one of the most common ways hackers break into accounts, and it's surprisingly effective because the fake pages and messages can look almost identical to the real thing. Hackers often create fake Snapchat login pages that are designed to look exactly like the official Snapchat site or app. These pages might have the same colors, logos, and even similar web addresses, making it really hard to spot the difference at first glance. The goal is to trick you into thinking you're logging into the real Snapchat, when in reality, you're handing your credentials straight to a scammer. To lure you in, hackers send links to these fake pages through emails, direct messages, or even text messages. These messages often look urgent or important, saying things like, "Your account will be locked," or "You've won a prize." They want you to panic and click the link without thinking twice. If you fall for the trap and enter your login details, those credentials are instantly sent to the hacker. With your username and password, they can log in as you, change your password, lock you out, and even use your account to scam your friends or followers. Sometimes, they'll even demand a ransom to give your account back. Influencers and celebrities are especially popular targets for phishing attacks, since their accounts have a lot of followers and can be used to spread scams even further. But regular users get targeted too. No one is immune. So how can you protect yourself? Always double-check the URL before you log in. Official Snapchat links will always use snapchat.com. If you see anything different, like extra words or strange spellings, it's probably a fake. Take a second to look closely at the web address, especially if you got there by clicking a link in a message. Never log in through links that seem suspicious, even if they look like they're from Snapchat or someone you know. If you get a message that feels off, don't click the link. Go directly to the Snapchat app or type the official website address yourself. And remember, real companies like Snapchat will never send you urgent messages demanding your credentials or threatening to lock your account unless you act immediately. If you get a message like that, it's almost always a scam. Snapchat will never ask for your password through random links or unofficial channels. If you're ever unsure, reach out to Snapchat support directly through the app or their official website. Stay alert, trust your instincts, and take a moment to verify before you enter your info. Protecting your account starts with being cautious and aware of these common traps. Next up is keylogging, sneaky software that records everything you type, including your Snapchat password. Hackers hide keyloggers in fake apps, games, or email attachments, running silently in the background. Some even take screenshots or record your screen when you enter sensitive info. To stay safe, only download apps from trusted sources and keep your antivirus updated. Be cautious with email attachments and strange links. Enable two-factor authentication for extra security. Social engineering is the clever art of manipulating people, not computers, to gain access to sensitive information. Instead of hacking into systems, social engineers hack into your trust, using psychological tricks to get you to reveal things you normally wouldn't. It's about exploiting human nature, curiosity, helpfulness, or even fear to get what they want. Hackers might pretend to be Snapchat support, a friend, or someone you trust, using personal info to sound convincing. They'll often research your social media, picking up details about your life, your friends, or your interests, so their messages seem familiar and real. Sometimes, they'll even use your friends' hacked accounts to reach out, making their requests seem even more legitimate. These scammers might ask for your login details, verification codes, or even try to get you to click on suspicious links. They may claim there's an urgent problem with your account, or that you've won a prize, hoping you'll act quickly without thinking. Their goal is to catch you off guard and get you to hand over information that can be used to access your accounts. No matter how urgent or convincing the message sounds, never share your passwords or verification codes with anyone. Take a moment to pause and think before responding. If you feel pressured or rushed, that's a red flag. Scammers want you to act before you have time to consider the risks. If someone claims to be from Snapchat or any other company, always double-check by contacting official support through their website or app. Don't use contact details provided in suspicious messages. Find the real ones yourself. Taking this extra step can protect you from falling for a scam. Remember, real companies will never ask for your password or verification codes directly. If you get a message asking for this information, it's almost certainly a scam. Protect your accounts by keeping your login details private and secure. Trust your instincts. If something feels off, it probably is. Stay alert, stay cautious, and don't let anyone trick you into giving up your personal information. SIM swapping is when hackers trick your carrier into transferring your phone number to their SIM card. With your number, they can reset your Snapchat password and take over your account. This has happened to many people, even celebrities. Protect yourself by adding a PIN or password to your mobile account. Don't share personal info online that could help someone impersonate you. The less hackers know, the safer you are. Beware of third-party apps promising secret Snapchat features or score boosts. These apps often ask for your login details and can steal your credentials or install malware. They also violate Snapchat's terms, risking your account. Only use the official Snapchat app from trusted stores. Never enter your Snapchat info into third-party apps or sites. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Brute force attacks use automated tools to guess passwords until they get in. Simple passwords like password123 are cracked in seconds. Hackers use leaked password lists and botnets to speed up attacks. Use strong, unique passwords with letters, numbers, and symbols. Don't reuse passwords across accounts. Make it tough for hackers to win the guessing game. Free public Wi-Fi is convenient but risky. Hackers can set up fake hotspots or intercept data on unsecured networks. Logging into Snapchat on public Wi-Fi could expose your credentials. This is called a man-in-the-middle attack. Avoid logging into sensitive accounts on public Wi-Fi, or use a VPN to encrypt your data. Always log out when you're done. Convenience isn't worth losing your account. Credential stuffing uses stolen usernames and passwords from other breaches. Hackers try these credentials on Snapchat. If you've reused a password, you're at risk. Billions of passwords are leaked every year. Never reuse passwords across sites and apps. Use a password manager for unique, complex passwords. One breach shouldn't compromise all your accounts. Spyware can monitor almost everything you do on your device. Hackers install it through malicious downloads, sketchy sites, or physical access. Spyware can see your messages, capture snaps, and steal credentials. Some even activate your camera or mic without your knowledge. Keep your device updated and install apps only from trusted sources. Run regular security scans and investigate any weird behavior. Your privacy is worth protecting. Security questions are often easy to guess, like your pet's name or first school. Hackers can find this info on your social media or guess it. With your answers, they can reset your Snapchat password. Choose security questions and answers that aren't obvious, or use random answers. Store them in your password manager for extra safety. Make it hard for hackers to get in. We just covered 10 ways hackers break into Snapchat and how to stop them. Use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Share this video to help others stay safe online. The more people know, the safer everyone will be. Stay smart, stay safe, and see you in the next video. Let me know if you need further tightening or want to adjust the tone.